Today we will learn how to make this sunburst effect in Figma. For this, I have created two of them. One is created in Figma, completely in Figma. The background you can change, like you can place image or change the color. So you can see how this looks like. This is completely in Figma. The second one I have created is through a ChatGPT application. It's an AI, we all know this thing. I will tell you about prompt framework to create such kind of image consistently. This will be useful for you guys in long term. So before we start, I will tell you something about sunburst effect. So you can see the sunburst effect in a real life. You can capture it through your phone using tiny aperture at golden hours. Golden hours means during sunset or sunrise. In this effect, it looks like the light is radiating from center to the outwards. It gives you the power and divine feel. That's why most of the god posters have this thing in background. Across different culture, you can see this effect. Gives the attention to the center. And in UI UX world, well, I am a game UX designer. Main application like Swiggy, Zomato, CRED, you can see this often for gratifying the reward. So let's get started. I will tell you how to make this. Alright guys, so let's create one frame here. Press F and then press Shift to keep creating a good rectangle. Looks like I zoomed in a lot. That's why I was getting too big frame. Okay, this is a frame. The size is, you can see the size 1024 into 1024. Fine. I will press O and create one circle here. Press Shift and keep pressing Shift and create the circle like this. It is kind in the center. It's fine. Now reduce this arc. I will prefer, this is the value of for the arc. You can change it to 2.65. This is fine. Now this is the rotation of this thing. So I will change the rotation to minus 95 degrees. This is kind of in the center. That's why. Just scale it a little bit. Press K and then properly like this. Fine. Now select this thing, then press Command D. Okay, so it will duplicate this thing. Now I will press Shift. Keep pressing Shift. Go to this corner. Okay, you will see this rotation line. Make one rotation, just one rotation. It's a perfect 15-degree rotation. You can see this here, 15. All right. So if I press Command D now, this will duplicate to that difference exactly. See, I fill it completely. See how many ellipses are here now. I will select all of them. Press K again to scale it proportionally, and I will scale it so that the circle is barely visible. It's barely visible out of frame. And to make it sure that it's center, I will use this thing. So we are sure that it's in center. Okay, fine. We got our sunburst effect. I will name it as sunburst effect. All right. Now the color of this thing, of course, not that great. So I will select all of them. Press V to change this thing to the normal tab. Fill, go to the fill area, go to the gradients. Now linear to radial because it's a radial effect. I will change the color to something like maybe yellow, like this. You can have, see, I usually have this yellow is good. I feel this good. Okay. I will change outer layer a little bit of orange. Whoa, yeah, damn it. Yeah, this looks, whoa, this is kind of fine to me. Not very good, but yeah, fine. I will select this center like this. So now you see it's looks like a center effect. This is a radial effect that you can see. One thing is missing because it is a kind of a vintage stuff that I created in this one. Sorry, here it is. Oh yeah, it was a vintage kind of a stuff here. It has a textures around this. To get this thing, you have to create one frame again. Press one frame like this. Okay, it's pretty within this thing, so I will just make sure this is here. Now go here in this the fill. Okay, select this textures. This is the basically patterns that you can see. This pattern is fine for me. Now go to the effects. Okay, effects and drop shadow change to the textures. Texture will be fine. Change this things to have a little paper like a grainy effect. Paper like a grainy effect. So you can have a very much of a retro effect. Got it? So now you will have a kind of a paper effect on this that gives you a retro, vintage retro feel, and what we want, that is the thing that we want. You can now go to this blend mode, click on it and select a blend that makes it kind of fine, like maybe I would say soft light is kind of fine, but let's go with the soft light. It's kind of fine. So now it gives you that effect of the background. Just for the proper understanding, I will create one more variant, basically one more element here, and for that background I will remove the background. I will explain why I am doing this, but for now just do what I'm saying. Remove the fill radio. Okay, and this is the normal one. So let's quickly prototype this thing. First go here, select everything, and then right click, group selection. So now there is a group of, I will change it to radials, fine. Now press this thing, create a component, create a variant of this. Got it? Now here, this is the radial, select this and rotate it. Press shift and rotate, like complete till here. This much is fine. Now go here, go to the prototype settings. From here, to make this thing, make it after delay 1 millisecond, and linear is very important, remember guys. I will make it to 5000 millisecond, that would be better. Yeah, now from here to there, after delay of 1 millisecond, delay is 1 millisecond, smart animate. No smart animate, instant. Okay, go to instant. Now if I create a frame here, like a small frame, put this default variant here and scale it to the end like this. Make sure it's in center. Like, now let's play this thing. So guys, this is how this thing will look like. And now in the center you can place anything, like maybe your gold here. So I will place a gold. Come on guys, this is the gold. Here in the gold, basically I applied the shadow. I will tell you how this thing looks like. This is the shadow, and the shadow properties are like this: the blur effect, spread, and the color. So that's why it looks like that. And when I play this thing, it's like that. Make it on center, yeah. Center, yeah. So it looks like gratifying gold coin. All right. So this is one way to do it. In certain application, we don't see this kind of background. We have some transparent background. So for this thing, I will select this thing, go to fill, make it to dark, and opacity to 70%. Maybe 70% fine. Okay. Now here I will select all of the ellipses and then make this thing to 0, so that we have this kind of sunburst effect. Now this sunburst effect is different from this. I will tell you why. I have duplicated this one and I will just remove this sunburst effect. I have to quickly basically make a prototype of this. Very easy, that the same process that you have to follow. I will just tell you Oh, sorry. Basically, everything is in one group first. Group. Select the default one. Come here. Paste it here. Press K and completely fill it till here. Make it on the background. Now I have did it, but you are not able to see what is the behind this stuff. It's 70°. All right, it should be visible. So what happened is that in different application, I will try to like, I don't know what to choose. Let's quickly get any background that I have. Let's get this person. Okay, here I will press this button to get it backside. So imagine there is a application backside, okay, and you open it. So you see this thing, like it's overpowering that particular thing on that image. That's how this will work. If you like to not move that gradient effect like that, like you can see there is a grainy textures, right? You can go to the variant 2 and check, select this frame. Don't move it in initial stage, but now because I have moved it and that's why I'm creating like this, I will press F, move like this. Yeah. So now you will have some side of a parallax 3D effect on that. See, there's a parallax kind of 3D effect. It's a cool effect, and good thing is no other application is doing this. So if you apply this, of course you are the first guy to do it, and please subscribe and like if you like this thing. So the bonus thing now, I will tell you the prompt framework, like how to create this image without that much effort, just by giving a prompt to ChatGPT. But the thing is, this video gone too long, so I will continue on the next episode of this thing. So for now, please like and subscribe.